In this video, I'm going to show the ordering process, how to measure your painting and place an order for a modular frame. First, you need to know the depth. This is 1.5 inches, which is a standard. Our frames are designed for 1.5 inches or under. So the dimensions for this are 30 inches by 30 inches. And then we'll go to the computer and I'll show you what to do next.
So now we have our size 30 by 30. What we'll do is scroll down the page and click the basswood floor frame sets. And I want the black with the inside with clear on the outside, and that's what's shown in the picture there. But if I wanted something else, all black for example, we can just click all black and it will just pop up in this window here. Whatever you select will reflect in this image to the left here. So for these, I want the black on the inside only with clear lacquer, and we'll select the length 30. It's a 30 by 30, and these are sets of 2, so I'll select 2, and that will give me 4 pieces, and then I can add that to the cart. It'll pop up, tell me what my price is, and then I can check out.
So we just got the frame kit in the mail. It will come in 1 box or 2 boxes, depending on how big it is. So when we order a 30 by 30, the frame is actually 1.25 inches longer. It's made for a 30 by 30. So you don't have to worry about that. All you need to do is order the approximate size of the painting, and then we do the addition, the math, so that it's the right size. So I'll move this out of the way for a second. In the order set, you get 2 inserts. And again, I'll use my tape technique. I just line up the edges and put the tape on there to hold it in place. The important thing to remember when doing this is to make sure that both pieces are flush to the table. When you put this in there, it clamps it. If they're offset, you're going to clamp them offset. So they need to be straight when you put them in. Put the insert in, or the insert in there. So I make sure I push it flat against the table, and then just clamp that piece in there. So I'll take these 2 and set them aside. Keep this one. Do the same thing I did earlier. I can use the same piece of tape. Just tape it so that they're together. Keeps them manageable when you flip them over. Keeps them from falling apart when you're trying to put the insert in. It's a good idea. So I'll just push this insert into the track there, the little hole, and then tap it down. Then we take this one and this one. Take an insert here. you go. That's how it goes together. It's probably a good idea if you want this to be permanent to put wood glue in the joint, or you can not put wood glue in there, and if you want to change the size later, you can carefully pop these apart. So there it is. The painting sits below the surface of the edge of the frame by 1/8 of an inch. I add 1/8 of an inch to that, so if the painting falls down in storage or in your storage rack, the frame will hit the ground and the painting will be protected. What I do, I'll take the box that it comes in and I'll cut up little pieces of that cardboard, and then you can stick them in the perimeter. That can help you space it correctly before you screw it in. I don't pre-drill the frame pieces because that takes more time. It's going to cost you more money. So I'm saving that cost by not doing it. And most likely you will have a power drill or something anyway to put your painting in the frame. So you can just get a little drill bit and pre-drill it yourself. In this case, I'm in a wood shop and I like to save myself a little time, so I'm just gonna staple it in place. There you go. Transforms the piece quite a bit.